Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab P2S first layer not sticking, bed adhesion and calibration fix guide. Fix 1. Wash the build plate. Remove the build plate from the printer and wash it thoroughly with hot water and original Blue Dawn dish soap. Then scrub the entire print surface using a soft sponge. Now rinse well and dry it with a clean paper towel or lint-free cloth. Avoid using only isopropyl alcohol (IPA) as it can spread oils instead of removing them completely. After cleaning, avoid touching the print surface with your bare hands. Fix 2. Verify the build plate selection in Bamboo Studio. Open Bamboo Studio and check the selected build plate under your printer settings. Make sure it matches the plate installed on your P2S, such as textured PEI plate or smooth plate. Now resize the model before starting the print if you change the plate selection. Fix 3. Rerun bed leveling and print calibration. Remove any plastic residue from the nozzle tip and inspect the nozzle wiper at the back left of the printer and ensure it is clean and not bent. Now on the printer touchscreen, go to settings, then go to calibration, then go to print calibration and run auto bed leveling followed by high temperature bed leveling before printing again. Fix 4. Adjust the Z offset advanced. Open Bamboo Studio, navigate to printer settings, then go to machine start G code. Locate the line beginning with G29.1Z. If necessary, change the value to slightly more negative number. For example, change G29.1Z 0.01 to G29.1Z minus 0.02. Only adjust the value in 0.01 mm increments and test after each change to prevent the nozzle from contacting the build plate. Fix 5 quick fixes to improve first layer adhesion. If you need a print to stick immediately, try these adjustments. Add a brim. Use a 3 to 5 brim in Bamboo Studio to increase the model's contact area. Reduce first layer speed. Set the first layer outer wall speed to 20 to 30 mm/s for better adhesion. Preheat the build plate. Heat the bed to the target temperature, for example 55 degrees Celsius for PLA, and let it warm for 5 to 10 minutes before starting the print to ensure even heating across the surface. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.